Welcome back. In this video we'll look at paper 21 of the October-November 2021 series. So if we look here, question 2, basically they give us this flowchart here and we just have to convert this into pseudocode. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get started on this. Right, first then it says we want to set count to 1, so just simple assignment. Likewise we just want to set the flag to false. Then if we look here, what we have, right, is flag equals false and is count less than or equal to 5. And we can see here, this will actually loop back around. So this can then just be a while loop. So while the conditions, so flag equals false. Hang on. Okay, right, so flag equals false. Right, then we want to go and here should be, well, count is less than or equal to 5. Then if it is, well, let's just have the do. Right, then this here, when we have the double kind of rectangle, this just means a module. And like when we see set, well, this means we're assigning a value. So this means that in this case check would be a function, but here we're not assigning anything. Okay, so reboot must be a procedure. And in pseudocode, if we have a procedure, well, then we need to use call. So yeah, let's go reboot like this. Okay, then we just want to increment count. Okay, and then we just want to set the flag to the check. So the value of the check function. Okay, right, then we can just end while. Right, and then, so if we see here, well, this is after the while loop, this no part. Then we just see what is flag equal to false. And then if it is, right, then we just call alert with the parameter 27, or I guess the argument 27. And yeah, if it's not, well, then we just do nothing, right, and go to the end. And notice here how, this one is a loop because, well, obviously it kind of loops back to the start. Whereas yeah, here we don't have a loop, right? So this will then just be a simple if statement. So let's just try this. Let's get if flag equals false. Well, then what we want to do, we just want to call alert again with the argument 27. And well, if it's not, yeah, then we can just do nothing. Okay, guys. So hopefully this makes sense. I think usually these ones are not too difficult. The only thing is just making sure you're using the correct loop. Okay.